The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northern Scott County in southeast Missouri until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chaffee and moving east at 45 miles per hour. A funnel cloud was reported near Chaffee by trained storm spotters. Tornado and quarter-size hail. Weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kelso and Benton around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is an extremely life-threatening situation. Other locations in the warning include Lambert and Commerce. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.